So standard issue Seagull flies in, and there's a rat right in the center of the screen. Look, he'll pop up again. There. Keep looking, center of the screen. He'll come out more. Seagull's just looking. There's the rat. See, there's his face. What's that rat doing there? And then here's our main guy, right? Main guy sees the rat right there. He's like, what? He can't believe his eyes. He just watches it run away with like a mussel. Picks at some, and he's like, he really can't believe what he just saw. He's questioning himself. So then he's just like going along. He just starts telling everybody about it. He's like, I saw a rat. But no one really cares. Still hungry though. Our main guy, he's starting to get over it a little bit. He doesn't need to know why that rat was in the ocean. It's unimportant. And by the way, it probably didn't even happen.